Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you the how to upload the demo data in our particular website, right? In the last video, I will show you the how to upload the customized theme into the WordPress, right? WordPress admin panel, right? So I have uploaded this in the previous video, but you can see that it's a one pager theme, right? So if you want to upload the demo data, you need to go to the appearance, and here you need to upload the import demo data, right? So there are many demo data here, right? Here you can choose whatever you want, right? So I will choose this demo data, right? So construction, import it. Okay, so it downloading the demo data, right? So it will take some time, and after that it will show you the pages, the images, all the data. Now the import data is completed. So go to the website and refresh it. Now as you can see that the uploaded data, the demo data is configured. Now it's pretty much nice appearance, right? So that way you can import the demo data into your site, or you can create your customized image, right? So next task is we will apply the SSL. You can see that there is no SSL. It's listing on HTTP port, right? So I will configure it SSL certificate under the Vestacp panel, right? So we need to log in into the Vestacp panel, right? Now log in into your Vestacp panel, right? Here you need to go to the website. Here my website is wordpress1.dns.net. You can see that there is no SSL support right now, right? So go to the edit button, right? So here you need to enable the SSL on it, right? So let's SSL on it, and let's go to the let's encrypt support, right? You can create your own SSL, your self signed certificate under the Vestacp panel. So but it will show you the warning whenever you access your website, right? So I will go to the let's encrypt support, right? So it will not so this is the valid certificate. As you know that let's encrypt certificate is valid certificate. So browser will not throw any error when I when we want to access our website, right? So let's encrypt. Let's click on this, right? Generate it, and WordPress1.dns.net, right? So right, and generate it, add it. So apply and okay, save it. It will take some time. You can see that the certificate is applied now, right? So I will go into this website and apply the HTTPS, HTTPS and double backslash and enter it. You can see that the SSL certificate is enabled now, right? And it will not showing you the any error certificate, and Chrome is also saying that the certificate is valid. If I go to the if I go with the self-signed certificate, it will throw the error the certificate is not valid, right? So we have, as you know that we have created the certificate via Let's Encrypt. So it will show us the certificate is valid, right? So if I go to some other browser, it will also not throw, it will also not showing us any error, right? So you can see that the error is not throwing, right? So that way you can configure the SSL certificate with the help of Vestacp panel, right? One more thing we should need to know, we should need to do that. We need to configure the force HTTPS, right? So it will not uh, redirect the HTTP traffic to HTTPS, right? We need to enforce the traffic to go to the HTTP to HTTPS, right? So you can see that when I type the WordPress 1.dintinias.net, right? So it will go to the HTTP site, right? Right. So just a minute, I will show you. When I press it, only WordPress 1.dintns.net, right? So it will go into the WHTTPS, right? So this is okay, right? That way you can also force the Vestacp panel, but it working fine, right? So we don't need uh, to change it, right? So that way you can change the you can assign the, you can configure the SSL with your domain side, right? So that's all. Thank you for watching.